This is a brand new 2014 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a DVD player, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.